My name is Kevin. I'm 8 years old. I invented this robot. It's called the tissue vending. The tissue vending can down, down, down. To push out the tissue down or downer, downer. Press the right button to put it up. So, if you push the right button, the tissue might get back into the machine. If you push the left one, the tissue might come out. Look. If you push the right button, the tissue might go up. Down. It's such as long. Can be more longer. Can be short. This tissue vending is made of a surface, a tissue roll, one NXT, 2 motors, 2 touch sensors, and 1 tissue roll. There is a hidden wheels. We use this for rolling the tissue. Now, this is the tissue vending, the end.